Hey everyone, welcome back to Easy English Talks, the show where learning English feels as fun as eating your favorite snacks.
Exactly. And today we're talking about something every learner struggles with, introducing yourself confidently.
Yep, that moment when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," and your brain goes on vacation.
Mine doesn't go on vacation, it just freezes like a mobile with 2% battery.
Fair. So today we're giving you quick hacks to introduce yourself like a pro. Smooth, natural, and confident. Star's conversation starts.
Alex, imagine we're meeting for the first time. How would you introduce yourself?
All right. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Canada. I love tech, making podcasts, and eating pizza. Sometimes at the same time.
Eating pizza while making a podcast? Dangerous but impressive. Okay, my turn. Hi, I'm Maya. I'm from India. I'm a content creator, tea lover, and professional overthinker.
Professional overthinker. Is that on your CV?
Absolutely. Skills, editing videos, drinking tea, thinking too much.
But see, that's the trick. A great introduction equals name, where you're from, what you do, and a fun detail.
Exactly. That fun detail makes people remember you. Otherwise, you just sound like a confused robot.
People love personality. Even a small detail works. For example, I love drawing. I'm learning guitar. I'm obsessed with cats.
Or I collect random receipts for no reason.
Maya, that's not a hobby. That's a problem.
Okay, fine. But learners, listen. Make your intro simple, clear, and friendly. Don't try to sound perfect. Try to sound you.
Mini practice. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Hi, I'm your name. I'm from your country. I'm interested in your hobby.
And add one fun detail. I love or I enjoy. Whatever makes you sound human, not a Google Translate paragraph.
Hey, Google Translate tries its best.
Yeah, but we want you to speak confidently on your own.
Quick recap. Okay, friends, recap time.
1. Keep it simple. Name plus country plus what you do plus fun detail.
2. Be natural. Use easy vocabulary. No need to impress anyone.
3. Be memorable. Share something unique about you.
Being call of action. Now it's your turn. Comment below with your introduction.
And we'll help you make it sound even better.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends who panic when someone says, "Introduce yourself."
See you in the next episode.
Bye.